Good morning, fourth block, Thursday the 26th. Apologies right ahead of time for all of the technical difficulties this morning. I try my best. The internet's just totally swamped right now, so we're all just doing our best. So anyhow, you guys, this is going to be up on the blog in just a little bit. Still working on it right now, so I'm not even going to put it up on the screen. First and foremost, number one, I'm still grading things. Check back, USA Test Prep, your journal. If I could tell the world one thing, ... Remember, if you see a percentage that you made, if it says a 90, you might have made a 94. You can look in the grade book and you can actually look in the notes that I give you because I actually tell you what you made. So if it says 9.4 out of 10, 94 out of 100, 94%. So, if you have questions about that, you can always check with me. Number two thing that I need you guys to do is there's a video at the very beginning of the blog today. Please watch it. It's about 5 minutes. I miss talking to you guys about the cool things and connections to life and the neat things to find on the internet or things that people bring up. So just watch it. It won't take very long. It talks about the power of headlines, power of pathos, the power of emotion, and especially in a time like this, and what it does to crowds in both a positive and a negative way. It's a powerful, powerful thing, the power of pathos. So watch that video. Then you'll scroll on down the blog and you're going to see links. Of course, sometimes my links work, sometimes they don't. You'll get this as a document as well on your email. Guys, this is what I want you to work on for today and tomorrow. Okay. This is going to be due at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. So it would be like the end of the day for us. So you've got 30 to 45 minutes. I know it's crazy times right now, but just kind of try to adhere to a schedule. Work on it today and tomorrow. This is enough for you guys to work on over the next 2 days. It's called the Road Self-Check Questions, page 38 to 51. Notice there's some questions here. Some of you will be able to download this as a PDF or a Word document, and you'll be able to actually write on it. Need to make some adjustments. It's always crazy time. If the formatting's a little off, you guys know what to do. Please look at this. Do your best on this assignment. This is one that does count as a grade. You won't have much to do this weekend except for reading, so you don't have to worry about anything over the weekend. We need to have some sunshine and be outside if we can. I wanted to give you guys a notice of a couple of things. You've been in my class before, okay? Screenshot. Sorry for the copy quality of it right now, but guys, if you'll look at this, you can see here that you have lots of things written here. This is a former student. This is Brady's again. When I ask you guys to do these assignments, it's more than one word answers. This is not the same one you guys are doing. I'm showing you this as an example of how I want you to put your best work into it. If we're only doing 2 or 3 assignments every week now, let's put our best into it, guys. Okay. And so you can see the amount of effort and work that was put into it. And you can see how I scored these and graded them as well. You may not have writing on any paper from me after this when you turn these in, but you will have the opportunity to do your best on it, and you'll have some comments from me. Thank you for your vocabulary yesterday. Put that same effort into this. There are 2 pages to this. When you see these things right here for the quotes, it's got the page number. Notice here it says 90 to 92, and this one's asking for the quote. And on this side, I was shocked at the way this group of people is degraded. Tribal-like warfaring society. I'm left with a feeling of dread. These are definitely the bad guys the man warns the boy about. Talk about over here what the inferences are, what it is that you see and get out of these quotes. This one here, you'll find the quote that actually matches with that reaction. Okay. So both of these pages you can easily get done over the next 2 days. You'll email it into me by, again, 3 p.m. tomorrow. All right. This will all be on the blog. The other thing I wanted to show you was one of the questions that I'm asking you guys to do right here, number 3. Notice it says use Post-it note annotations in your book. Choose 5 places to label from pages 1 to 55 that illustrate McCarthy's curious bare bones style. Remember syntax, sentence structure, guys? Find 5 places in the book and Post-it note it, annotate it. Look here, guys. This is what our Post-it notes look like. I've given you some screenshots of some former students. Look, it's just short, little, simple things. When you find it, short sentence, simple syntax. Make this work, guys. This is your assignment for today and tomorrow, due Friday at 3 p.m. If you have any questions, you guys know how to get a hold of me. Thank you.